All right, everyone, we're going to do a quick tip on how to use the Navigate desktop version. So you're going to go to avila.campus.eab.com. It will ask you to log in with your usual Avila username and password, the same that you use for MyAU or for your Outlook. And then once you're logged in, you're going to see your courses that you have this semester. So it's going to show the name of the course, what day it is, and then when it starts. So these are the courses that this particular student has for this fall. You can also see who your advisor is right over here. But we are going to talk about the calendar as it pertains to time management. So you're going to click on calendar, or you can click on the calendar icon over here on the left side. This calendar is going to show you when you have your classes on each day, and you can go through the different months if you're wanting to see if something is different, which they should just be the same each week, each month, unless you have classes that end early before the semester is over in December. If you want to see other things that are on your calendar, so say you have added community service or other extracurricular activities, you make sure your Outlook calendar is synced with your Navigate calendar. So from here, you can set up sync. You can click on Microsoft Office, and then it will take you to Microsoft Office and then have you log in right here. We don't want to do that because that's going to be my calendar. But that is how you would do that and how you use your calendar within Navigate. You can also set up appointments in Navigate right over here where it says make an appointment. And then once you set up an appointment with your advisor or tutoring or another staff person on campus, it will then be added to your calendar. So that is a brief overview of how to use Navigate and how to use the Navigate calendar.